chose fused glass as my medium of choice so I could create art and intentional compositions and have all these beautiful colors and shapes and forms talk to me as I make the glass. I'm very excited about fusing glass, if you haven't been able to tell till now. So I make all kinds of pieces. It ranges from bowls and platters to 20-foot sculptures out of glass. I've done it all. I've done sinks, I've done tabletops, and a lot of chandeliers, a lot of light fixtures. I have a background in environmental sciences and urban design and landscape architecture. I do focus on a lot of nature in my work, and my focus has been preserving nature in most of my earlier career. So I can incorporate that feeling for nature in my work as well.